What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna add some new Mini GTs to the collection, and now take a look right here. I also bought a model from a Tarmac. This is a brand I normally do not collect, but I definitely wanted to have this Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is, I think, the W220 from the end of the 90s, one of my all-time favorite cars. And then I bought my first pop race model. This is a brand, I think it's basically a little bit like Mini GT, but we will see at the end of the video. We can do a little comparison and see what these brands have in common with Mini GT and what are the differences. And I would say let's get started with our first model right here. This is number 433, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S in Volcano Gray Metallic. And as I put this guy here on the turntable, you will see, I mean, basically it looks more like a black, metallic black with a lot of metal flakes. I think it looks really, really good. I also like these golden 5-spoke wheels here on the side. A little detail saying Taycan Turbo S. We have a lensed headlights and the Porsche badge on the front. As you can see, this is a right-hand drive version. By the way, I didn't notice that when I ordered it, but to be honest, I don't really care. The light bar here on the back is painted, and yeah, get the Porsche lettering. And once again, this is a Mini GT model. It rolls perfectly, and by the way, this thing did me cost 12 euros. So yeah, that's the price you are paying now in many stores for Hot Wheels premium models. Yeah, just to mention that. And yeah, you get a lot of details here on this guy. Mini GT always comes with a metal body, metal base, rubber tires, yeah, and a lot of details. So let's put our Porsche in the parking lot as we go on with the next Porsche, the 911 Turbo S. This is the 2023 IMSA Daytona 24-hour safety car number 735. I already showed another version of this model, or basically it's the same, but in red. So same deco, but in red. Now in blue. I think it's cool to have such a pair, looking really good on display. So as you can see here on the side, comes with this Rolex 24 hours logo, which is pretty cool. We have some IMSA logos here on the front, lensed headlights. Yeah, this huge Porsche windshield banner. Yeah, saying safety car here on the rear window. This does also roll pretty nice. Into the parking lot it goes as we go on with our next one, which is number 721. This is the Honda Civic Type R, the 2023 pace car in white. There we go. Yeah, a lot of deco on this one. By the way, because I mentioned the price of the Porsche, the other models that you will see in this video, I think they all were between the 13 and 15 euros. Just to mention that. So this one here also comes with the Honda windshield banner, huge Honda logo on the hood, deco on the side, lensed headlights. And then yeah, took me a while to figure out, but I think we also have lensed taillights. I think there's just a kind of a reflective paint on them, and we get some exhaust details. Yeah. And it rolls into the parking lot as we go on with our next model, which is number 626, the Honda Civic Type R, 2023 Honda Thanks Day Vietnam. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, I'm not really sure what kind of occasion that is for this car, but whatever. Comes with a Honda Civic Type R deco, and I hope you can see it on camera. It's a different shade of white. This is a real bright white. This is like an off-white. Yeah, number 1 here on the windshield. This guy also has these heating wires in the back. Yeah, also, yeah, kind of a nice pair. Into the parking lot it goes. Then we go on with a German car, the BMW M4 CSL in black sapphire. I think I do have another version of this guy, I think in gray. Yeah, as you can see, I mean, it's got this controversial grille. I'm still not a huge fan of that. I only like this grille on the race cars because they are so wide, and I think that's a match. But yeah, on these guys, I don't know. This one has a little issue. It's hard to see, but the rear window isn't fixed properly. But yeah, I guess you won't see it on display. We have these red deco stripes and also a carbon fiber pattern here on the roof. Some red details down here. Nice black rims, lensed headlights and taillights. BMW M4 CSL. And doesn't focus. License plate. And if you take a close look, this is also interesting. It's got this this M badge, so it's not the normal BMW logo. It's got some let's say details in the M colors all around. I think that's optional. I don't think you have to order that. I'm not really sure, but you can do it, and it's a really nice detail. I mean, something I really like about this brand. As you can see, this one doesn't roll perfectly, but it's okay. Then we have a real cool race car, Cadillac V-Series.R, the 2023 IMSA Sebring 12 Hours winner, the Whelan Engineering Cadillac Racing. This was the one I pre-ordered, and yeah, these are really great. I think I already have I'll be honest with you, I think these are prototype cars or something like that, or they were formerly called prototype cars, whatever. I think they look really, really cool. And so does this one. Look at all the details, especially here on the tires, on the side. Here on top we have the driver's names. On the front we have also lensed headlights. Yeah, this whole wing, all the details, and I mean, look how low this car sits, perfect stance, and this one rolls perfectly and smoothly. This is really, really nice. Really like these race cars. So let's put this guy into the parking lot. Then we have this is number 745, by the way, if you're interested in that. And yeah, the next one is the Honda NSX GT3 Evo Alpha Tauri, the 2023 Red Bull Formula Nurburgring Yuki Tsunoda. I'll be honest with you, I don't really know much about this car, so yeah, I just ordered it because of its really nice look, and I have to say it does look definitely better in reality than on the pictures. This is kind of a matte blue here on top, and yeah, take a close look. A lot of details, lensed headlights, Pirelli P0 tires, also really nice. All these details, and yeah, very nice model. And focus, it rolls. So now we are done with our Mini GTs. Now it's time, to take a look at the Tarmac model. I'm not an expert for this brand. They also have different levels of models. I think this Global 64 is a little bit on the cheaper side. Yeah. Anyways, let's take a look at the S-Class. Here it is. Yeah, really, really cool. Yeah, I think I was 16 years old when this came out, and I loved this S-Class. I loved the style and all the, features that it had. I think you could order this with active body control, and yeah, some really, really cool stuff at that time. And yeah, I think you saw a lot of them in especially this color. I don't know, Horizon Blue Metallic. Here it says. Okay, yeah, looks really good. We get lensed taillights and headlights, and also we take a close look here on the front. I mean, looks really good. We got the Mercedes-R here on the hood, which is really nice. And we get a license plate. I really do like that. And it's also, yeah, from Stuttgart. So yeah, that's where the headquarter of Mercedes is. Really like the white interior, pretty detailed. Rims are really cool. And then you can see in the mirrors we have some reflective paint. That is something you normally don't see on Mini GTs. This thing is yeah, pretty light, and that's also because this one has a plastic base. That's something I don't like about these Tarmac models. I'm a huge fan of a metal base. I mean, you don't see it if you have the models on display, but if you take them in your hand, it's a really nice feeling. But anyways, a really, really, really cool model. Really like this one. Maybe Mini GT is also bringing out a version sometimes at some point of time. Would be really cool. It also rolls. It's a little bit wobbly, but really nice. Really, really nice. Yeah, and then we have this Pop Race model. I already mentioned it. It's the first time I bought one of these. Pretty hard to get. I think I won't start collecting these, but maybe from time to time order one. I think basically they are the same as Mini GT. So here is this RWB, and yeah, take a close look. I mean, this looks really good. I think it also did cost 15 euros. I like these RWBs, with these huge over fenders, white body. I really like the color, this glossy, what is it, olive military green. Yeah, it looks really nice. Comes with a windshield banner. We have lensed headlights, and yeah, take a close look at the rims. I think they look very, very cool. We also got some details here on the side. This one also, I hope you can see, it has some reflective paint on the mirrors. That is really cool. Already mentioned that Mini GT normally doesn't do that. We have a roll cage inside, this huge wing, some exhaust details, and as you can see, this one has a metal base and yeah, tread on the tires. This I forgot to mention that. That is something I don't like about this Tarmac model. As you can see, this S-Class, put this guy to the side for a second. This S-Class, yeah, comes with slicks. I think that's something they should definitely do, put some tread in the tires. But anyways, let's get back to our RWB. All in all, and of course, yeah, it rolls. All in all, I mean, it's I would say it's the same as a Mini GT model. Doesn't really have quality issues. There's a little, I don't know if you can see that the left taillight isn't perfectly aligned. But yeah, that's all in my opinion. Otherwise, pretty similar to Mini GT. Yeah, I really like this one, and I think it's a brand definitely. If all of these pop race models, yeah, have let's say a quality like this guy here, it's definitely something you can collect. I think I'll stick with Mini GT because I have so many of them, and yeah, I really like the brand. And you can't collect everything, so yeah. Let's put the turntable to the side, and yeah, let's take a look at the models from today. And yeah, in the end, I always pick a favorite, and this time it's between our new brands, Pop Race and Tarmac, because I think from most of these models I already do have a version. So I mean, these race cars are fantastic here from Mini GT. I would say, I don't know. I mean, I think this S-Class is really cool. I mean, some tread on the tires would have been cool and a metal base, but I mean, this is their style of doing it. And in this case, let's say the car itself is more important to me than it's a metal base. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.